Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on a Burmese python I just got. Let's see, yeah, this guy looks excited. Gee. Wow. That's so cool. This is a pearl Burmese python. It's a hypo albino. Burmese pythons are one of my favorite pythons to have as a pet. They're really good pets. It's like a peach color on these guys. Alright, I'm getting into his enclosure. This is my pearl Burmese python. The Burmese python are invasive to Florida. There was some that got released from a hurricane in the 90s. You won't find anything like this pearl out in the wild though. The pearl is a hypo albino, and she's also het for green and granite. The Burmese pythons are native to Asia. You'll find them in India, Vietnam, and then China in some parts. Right now, this girl's a little picky feeder for me. She's only eating live, but I got her eat a frozen thawed the other day. Frozen thawed fuzzy. So I'm gonna try slow growing this girl. There's no rush into getting her huge. I was in an accident last year, and before my accident I had a huge female hypo Burmese python. She was about 10 feet long, so not the biggest, but she was pretty good size. So the Burmese python really is sentimental to me. So this is me restarting. I was thinking about getting the regular albino Burmese or the hypo again, and I went with this pearl. I wasn't 100% sure if I was gonna like the color or not, but now having her, I'm really glad I got the pearl instead of getting a hypo or just the albino. And you can never go wrong with just the normal.